Jared here with JDS Industries, here to give you a quick tip on how to apply text to a curve in CorelDRAW. The reason why we would want to do this is to make sure that our text is uniform with the curvature of a product. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is either download a template from our website, like so, or we will want to make a shape or a path in order to apply the text to it. So, there's a couple ways that we can do this. The first way is either selecting our text tool here on the side, or F8 for the shortcut, and then we want to either hover over that path or shape. Now you'll notice it starts to change the icon to a line. Once you see the line, that's going to try and do it on the path. The square one is actually only going to apply it on the inside, which we want to make sure we have the line, like so. So if I click right here, it's going to give us an area where we can text. So if I just type in text to path, it's going to apply there. Now I want to select the pick tool, and if I zoom in, we're going to see all these little anchor points here. Now if we hover over the first one, it's going to give us a different icon. Now we want to left click on that to move it. If we want to move it anywhere inside the circle, on the bottom, further out, you can see it'll give you kind of a shadow effect that will show you where it would be if you let go of the mouse. But if I wanted to put it upside down, like so, you'll see that it's upside down. You don't want it to be like that. All you would have to do is either choose the mirror options, horizontal, and we want to do vertical, because if we do one or the other, it's still going to be reversed. So we want to flip it one more time here, and then we have it like so. If we wanted to do it another way, we can actually select the text like I have up here, and then we want to go up to text, and then we want to do fit text to path. Now when we select that, we'll get an arrow and a line, just like when we hover over that one previously. And if I hover onto a path, it's going to show me the shadow effect of where it would be if I left click. So if I were to come down to this one, it's going to show me where that text will be. If we were to add it to our template, if I select that text tool, and then I hover over it with that line and left click, I'll put text to path once again, get our pick tool so I can zoom in and move it with that little icon right here in the front. And once I move it, try to get it centered. I'm going to adjust the size of it, and then we can adjust it like so if we need to move it. So as you can see, I printed out a transfer sheet and just taped it on there so we can tell that the text is on there straight. If you'd like to have more information, please contact us at the number below or visit us online. Thanks for watching.